In this tip of the day, I'd like to demonstrate how you can efficiently rough out pockets that have different depths. In this example, you can see this pocket has a depth of -1/2 inch, minus 375 thousandths for this pocket, and these two pockets are at minus 250 thousandths. Well, instead of applying a separate roughing operation for all these pockets, you can do it with just one roughing operation. In fact, if you head over here to the Command Manager and go into your model toolpaths, you can certainly use the Z-level rough command to do exactly that. Now, even though these commands are designed for 3-axis work, you can certainly use some of these commands for 2.5-axis work as well. So we're going to use Z-level rough. I already have a tool defined, 1/2 inch diameter end mill. I'm happy with the speeds and feeds. We'll click next on that. Our clearances look great. We'll click next on that. High speed closed. We'll click next on that. I'm going to helical into each pocket using a helical diameter of 250 thousandths. We'll click next. For depth of cut, I'm going to make this work a little harder. I'm going to make that 125 thousandths for the depth of cut. I'm not going to leave any material on the bottom of the pocket, but I am going to leave 10 thousandths on the side of each pocket. So we'll click next. For boundary type, make sure you have pick selected. That way you can pick or select this outside boundary. We'll click finished. I'm going to left hand pick or select that boundary, right click, and then let OneCNC generate the toolpath. And there we go. Now remember, we used a depth of cut of 125 thousandths. So over here for this pocket, you can see we have 4 different depths of cut. On this pocket here that's 375 thousandths deep, we have 3 depths of cut, and on these two pockets that are 250 thousandths deep, we have 2 depths of cut. So it's a very powerful feature of OneCNC to be able to use 3-axis commands on 2.5-axis projects. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.